before we even say anything, be it criticism or applaud, let's look at this. The Buhari, who is seen as the worst president in Nigeria, when he was in power, he left a price of fuel per litre is 200 naira. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu came. He took it from 200 naira to 1,000 plus. Now he reduced it to 900. Then his data boys are clapping for him that he is working. Buhari left, bag of rice was 20,000, 90,000. Tinubu came. He took it from 90,000, 20,000 to 100,000 plus. Then he reduced it to 80,000. His data boy said he is working. We should clap for him. Dollars was 300 naira per dollar during Buhari as a worst president regime. Tinubu came. He took it from 300 naira to 2,000, 1,900. Then he reduced it to 1,400 naira to 1,450. His data boy said he is working. We should clap for him. The worst of all, I know you want to say, because they remove subsidy. We know Nigeria borrows money to pay for subsidy. So if they stop paying for subsidy, there will no longer be borrowing. Buhari, in his 8 years as a president, he borrowed 49 billion naira. 4 years, 8 years as a president, 49 billion naira. But guess what? Tinubu, in less than 4 years, it's not up to 3 years, he has borrowed 80.9 trillion naira. 80.9 trillion naira. On what? Not billion. 80.9 trillion naira. Every nation borrow, right? Where is the investment? Where is the impact in our economy? Where is the impact in the citizen? Where is the impact? Nothing. Where is the result? No result to show for. At this point, I think if we see anybody that is still defending Tinubu, we should hold him down and beat him. At this point, Tinubu was not even close to Buhari when it comes to good governance. I know Buhari, as a military person, he does not really have experience of how to govern. But Tinubu, who is not a military person, a Democrat, look at it, and you are comparing Tinubu with Buhari. How? Get out.